Hey y'all, Chrishinda here. I'm creator of Learn to Braid and Twist, and I offer live one-on-one beginner classes where I teach you to braid and twist. For your lessons, you have the option of using a mannequin head, braiding hair, or a human model. If you decide to use a mannequin head for your lesson, it should have come with a table clamp. The table clamp is for you to have something stable to hold your mannequin head while you are styling it. Your table clamp should come in 3 pieces, and it can be a little bit confusing on how to put it together. So this video is going to show you how to assemble it. Here's what the table clamp looks like fully assembled. These are the 3 pieces. This is the piece that clamps onto the table. Then you have this piece, which lets you tilt the mannequin head at the angle that you need. This piece is what you tighten once you get the angle you want with the second piece. Follow along with this quick demonstration of how to assemble your table clamp. The silver piece is what lets you secure the clamp to the table. You're going to twist the silver piece to the left to widen the gap of the clamp to the width of your table. Then you'll slide the clamp opening onto the table and twist the silver piece to the right until it is tight on your table. Your mannequin head should have a hole at the bottom, and once your table clamp is secure, you'll place your mannequin head onto the clamp. You want to give your mannequin head a quick shake to see if it twists or moves too much. If it does, your first step is to tighten this piece, and if that doesn't help, you're going to grab a towel or a shirt you don't need anymore. Because when you're styling your mannequin head, you don't want it twisting from side to side and moving all over the place. I also have a mannequin tripod. The height is adjustable and you can angle your mannequin head just like you can with the table clamp. The tripod just doesn't confine you to a table. You can be practicing your braids or twists while watching TV on your couch. You see how the mannequin head moves side to side here? That's what you don't want while practicing. So after making sure everything on the tripod is tightened, but the mannequin head is still moving too much, that's where the towel comes in handy. The towel is going to make a huge difference and it's going to stop the mannequin head from moving so much. For more information about my lessons, visit me at HeyChrishinda.com. Also, follow me on my socials at HeyChrishinda and Learn to Braid and Twist.